Justin Vacula here with the Hurdy Gurdy Travel Podcast. I'm at the Hildene House in Vermont. Some gardens outside of this Lincoln house. It was complimentary admission for this self-guided tour. There are some staff around with being a hotel guest at the IHG Kimpton Taconic, otherwise $25 for adults. You can see many of the flowers at the bottom, some pink and yellow colors, some whites on the bottom. Looks like a bee as well. Some of the gardeners, some of the staff talking to some of the guests. You can see very manicured. The shrubs are definitely cut and ready for us as visitors. More flowers on the bottom, yellow, red, and some white colors. Going to the back, lots of purples and pink colors. We'll walk through there, through the middle, and see more of what this has to offer. But first, a lot of nice mountain views. We're a little bit higher. This was on a hill, some elevation, some white colors on the bottom. And ahead looks like a different type of flower. I don't see any signage explaining what these flowers are, but if you have ideas, you can post in the comments about that. On the other side, some pinks and more of these puffy white flowers. Up ahead looks like some sort of sundial, and it says Hoyt Formal Garden. A little bit of a upper area here, perhaps for design. This says in memory of Cutler Severance. There is talk of Abraham Lincoln, as this is the Lincoln House, and a widow, one of his wives. Another hall down there. It looks like for events though. It was closed when I approached it. And get another mountain view. Lots of these mountains in Vermont. I drove out here from the Philadelphia area in Pennsylvania, and not bad of a drive, maybe about 4 or 5 hours to get here with some Panera bread stops on the way. Pretty easy driving, going from PA through New Jersey into New York and then here. More flowers. These ones are bigger than the others. A lot of pink colors with the yellows in the middle. It looks like some bees or maybe a hornet coming through. And a very picturesque place just ahead, people posing for photos. See a really cool mountain view, and there's a semicircle of rocks leading up to it. Some stairs going down, but it looks like it's locked or closed, perhaps just for staff to go down or through. And we get the view. See some houses, perhaps barns, definitely the farmland on the bottom. A cool addition to the gardens to get some of the views here in Vermont. Take another look. We'll go side to side to get the nice view. Can zoom in just a little bit to see the mountains. I'm recording early June 2026. It's nice weather, about 80 degrees outside. Bit of a breeze, little wind, hopefully not interfering with the audio. Coming back from the mountain view, getting breezier, and see the Lincoln House on the outside. It's noted as a historical destination. It's been renovated for sure, going back to the 1800s, perhaps even earlier here in Vermont. Lincoln presence. There are other parts of this. We get the gardens, the Lincoln House. There's a Pullman car and other places to see. Here for 2 nights with the Chase the Edit credit, $500 off. 2-night stay, $250 with the credit, and there's a bonus $250 with IHG. Cool that they included these tickets, as they say they are a lodging sponsor of this Lincoln House and Hildene area. Justin Vacula here with the Hurdy Gurdy Travel Podcast, signing off here in Vermont. Stay tuned for more content.